So tell your bitch to get her cop calling fingers ready. Tell her, because you know she really good at calling cops and shit.
Bitch, shut the fuck up.
Oh, Floppy, you need to be worried about your legal case that I'm gonna have on your ass, hoe ass nigga. I'm gonna take all your shit. Your little small business you got going over there, I'm gonna have that shit. Watch.
Bitch, shut the fuck up.
Dick been sucked so many times, don't know how to breathe. Nigga said it's my fault, but he bit it with his teeth. I think it's best I put my dick on ice, cause it is bleeding. I think it's best I put my dick on ice, cause it is bleeding.
None, cause you know that you're gay, you wanna suck cock, you say that you're straight, but we know that you're not. You are so far in the closet that you have found your Christmas presents. We know you are gay, we all know, don't lie. You should come out, I think it's really about time. We know that you're gay, you're really gay.